Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore said that the highest education does not give us just information, but it helps us to live in harmony with all existence. The whole of society, including the poorest of the poor, played a role in bringing you to this important day. Therefore, giving back to them, creating a better society and country is the true purpose of education. The science you learn can help a farmer in your village.
பாரதிதாசன் பல்கலைக்கழக விழாவில் பங்கேற்று பிரதமர் மோடி உரை நிகழ்த்தி வருகிறார். தொடர்ந்து பார்க்கலாம் இடைவேளைக்கு பிறகு.
Like never before, our musicians and artists are continuously bringing international awards to our country. Our athletes won record number of medals in Asian Games, Asian Para Games and other tournaments. You are stepping into the world at a time when everyone is looking at you with new hope in every sector. Enat Manav Kudumbame, youth means energy. It means the ability to work with speed, skill and scale. In the last few years, we have worked to match you in speed and scale so that we can benefit you. In the last 10 years, the numbers of airports had doubled from 74 to nearly 150. Tamil Nadu has a vibrant coastline, so you would be happy to know that the total cargo handling capacity of major ports in India had doubled since 2014. The speed of road and highway construction in the country has almost doubled in the last 10 years. The number of registered startups in the country has grown to almost 1 lakh. This was less than 100 in 2014. India has also sealed a number of trade deals with important economies. These deals will open up new markets for our goods and services. They also create countless new opportunities for our youth, whether it is strengthening institutions like the G20, fighting climate change, or playing a bigger role in the global supply chain. India is being welcomed as a part of every global solution. In many ways, due to the local and global factors, this is the best time to be young in India. Make the most of this time to make our country to new heights. Enat Manav Kudumbame, some of you may be thinking that today is the end of university life for you. That may be true, but it is not the end of learning. You will not be taught by your professors anymore, but life will become your teacher. In the spirit of constant learning, it is important to proactively work on unlearning, reskilling, and upskilling. Because in a rapidly transforming world, either you drive change or change drives you. Once again, I congratulate the young people graduating here today. I wish you all the best for a bright future. Mikka Nanari.